Welcome back to my channel. The Fiat 500 America is a compact car that embodies a blend of European charm and American spirit. Introduced as part of Fiat's push into the North American market, the Fiat 500 America edition brought a stylish, retro-inspired look with modern engineering and a uniquely transatlantic personality. It wasn't just a car, it was a cultural statement, aimed at drivers looking for something distinctive, efficient, and fun to drive. The Fiat 500, originally launched in Italy in the late 1950s, was a symbol of affordable mobility. Decades later, the modern version retained the essence of the original with a design that paid homage to its roots while incorporating contemporary features. The 500 America took that formula and added unique elements tailored to the tastes and preferences of American drivers. This included special edition trims, distinctive color options, and exclusive features such as leather-trimmed interiors, chrome accents, and even red and blue themes that nodded to the American flag. Under the hood, the Fiat 500 America typically came with a peppy 1.4-liter MultiAir engine, delivering enough horsepower to make city driving exciting without compromising fuel efficiency. The manual and automatic transmission options allowed drivers to choose between a more engaging or convenient ride, depending on their preference. With its tight turning radius, compact size, and responsive handling, the 500 America was perfect for urban environments, where parking and maneuverability are at a premium. One of the key appeals of the Fiat 500 America was its customization. Owners could select from various paint colors, interior trims, and accessories to truly make the car their own. This personalization extended to optional tech features such as a touchscreen infotainment system, Bluetooth connectivity, and premium sound systems, which made the car feel more upscale than its modest price tag would suggest. In terms of safety and reliability, the Fiat 500 America included several standard features such as multiple airbags, electronic stability control, and an anti-lock braking system. While compact, it was engineered with a high-strength steel frame to provide solid protection. These elements made the car a smart choice for first-time buyers, city dwellers, and anyone looking for a stylish yet practical vehicle. The Fiat 500 America was also an icon in terms of design. Its rounded headlights, distinctive grille, and curved silhouette made it instantly recognizable on the road. The car's retro-modern aesthetic appealed to a wide demographic, from young professionals to older drivers seeking a fun second vehicle. Limited edition models and collaborations with fashion brands further enhanced its appeal, turning it from just a mode of transportation into a lifestyle accessory. While the Fiat 500 never dominated the US market in terms of sales, it carved out a loyal niche following. Fans appreciated its European flair, compact size, and personality-packed design. It became a common sight in trendy neighborhoods, often associated with environmentally conscious and style-savvy drivers. As electric and hybrid variants began to emerge in later years, the Fiat 500 continued evolving to meet the demands of a changing automotive landscape. In the end, the Fiat 500 America remains a symbol of how a small car can make a big impression. Its unique blend of style, performance, and customization offered a refreshing alternative to the more mainstream vehicles on American roads. Whether as a daily commuter or a collector's item, the 500 America holds its own as a memorable chapter in Fiat's global journey. Thanks for watching my video.